People always tell me, Viv, mobile homes never go up in value. But is that actually true? Let's talk about it. Yes, some older mobile homes can go down in value, kind of like a car, but that's not the whole story. In places like the Bay Area, we're actually seeing mobile homes that were bought for around $180K 5 years ago, now selling for over $300,000. That's real appreciation. Why is this happening? Because demand is rising, land is limited, and mobile homes offer a more affordable way to own in an expensive market. And it's really not just the home itself. The value comes from the location, the school district, the community amenities, and even how much the rent in the area has gone up. So yeah, not all mobile homes are created equal, but the right one in the right park, in the right market, it can definitely go up in value. If you're wondering what your mobile home might be worth today, shoot me a message and you might actually be really surprised. See you guys next time. Bye!